Hi everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi POCO F4 GT smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the top 3 home screen widgets for this device. So first of all, choose any vacant spot you have on any of your home screens and either tap and hold or make the shrink and swipe just like that. At the bottom part of your display, tap on the widgets icon and you will be directly forwarded to the widget menu, where all the widgets are divided into the convenient categories. So first widget that we would highly recommend on adding is the Google search bar widget. So here locate the Google widget category, here it is, and tap and hold at the search widget. Then choose the place where you want to leave this widget at. I'll drop it here for example. Next I'll actually tap and hold at the widget itself after it has been added and increase its size. The second best widget we would highly recommend that you add is obviously the clock widget, a very handy one. So locate the clock category, choose what design you would like to go with. In my case I'll choose this design that will also show the weather. So tap and hold, choose the place where you want to drop it at, and I'll leave it right here. As for right now it has no weather data, so let's tap on it, click on agree. And here enter the city of your stay, or enter the city that you would like to see the weather of. In my case it's going to be Krakow, so I'll type in Krakow, choose the respective city, and that will be it. As you can see, the weather is being successfully shown. And the third widget we would highly recommend on adding is the calendar widget. So let's go to the widget menu. Here locate the calendar category. And at the calendar category, choose the design that you'd like. Usually by default the phone provides us with 2 types of calendar widget, either the compact one or the full scale. I'll go with the compact design. And as you could see just now, it did not allow me to place this widget here since we do not have any more vacant space at this home screen for the widget of such size. So we'll go back to the widgets menu. Look for the calendar category again, tap and hold on the widget we were to add and place it right here. So what is that cool about this widget is the fact that anything that you have binded and linked to your calendar, any events, any notes or any celebrations for example, they will be displayed right here. So by adding this widget you are making sure that you will not forget about anything important that is added to the calendar on your device. So that was it for this video guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.